Last we have completed our grammar chapter 9. Now today we are continuing with English syllabus, that is unit 7. This is the part 1 of unit 7. It is about puppy and I. You all know what is puppy, right? Puppy क्या होते हैं? You maybe some of you love puppy. Puppy means here a small dog, baby of a dog. It means जो young ones होते हैं animals के, उनके भी names होते हैं. तो puppy is a name of a baby of a dog, right? Now you love play to with them. आप सभी को खेलना उनके साथ पसंद होता है. Okay. Now and I. Here the I word is mentioned for a small boy. आपके जैसा ही वो यहाँ पे एक small boy है जो कि वो पप्पी के साथ खेलना पसंद है उसे भी. Okay, in this poem, a small boy is there who is walking on the roadside and he meeting with someone. But the end, he is deciding to go with puppy because आप सबको puppies बहुत पसंद होते हैं, right? तो उसके साथ वो भी उसके साथ खेलने चला जाता है. This poem is about puppy and I. It means here I is for a boy is here who is walking on the road and observing various things. If you watching when you are going to the road or when you are walking, you may observe कि आपको कहीं ना कुछ देखने को मिलता है, right? Here puppy means what? Puppy means a young one of dog. जो डॉग के बेबी को हम क्या बोलते हैं? पप्पी, राइट? एज you all are aware about animals and their young ones. जैसे काऊ का बेबी होता है, हॉर्स का बेबी होता है. ओके, फॉर दैट डॉग्स बेबी वी आर यूजिंग द वर्ड इज पप्पी. नाउ हियर one boy is here who is going to the market and he is watching and observing various things. That is, a man is passing from him. Okay, एक मैन जा रहा होता है और उनसे पूछता है, मैन where are you going? Again he met with a horse. फिर उसको कुछ आगे चलते चलते उसको कौन दिख जाता है? A horse. Okay. For horse also he is asking a question to a horse. Horse, where are you going? And again then next he met with a puppy, that is a dog baby. Okay, वो puppy से भी यही क्वेश्चन करते हैं, आप कहाँ जा रहे हो? Okay, so let's come to the poem for puppy and I. Unit 7, puppy and I. I met a man as I went walking. अब क्या है यहाँ पे? उसको कौन मिल रहा है? I met a man, मतलब उससे कोई एक मैन दिखा. And as I went walking, when he was walking, he met a one man. We got talking. उसने क्या किया? जब वो पास हो रहा था उसने उससे क्या की? बात की. Man and I. Where are you going to, man? I said to the man as he went by. अब क्या हुआ? One boy was there. He was going and he met with a man. As he saw a man, he started talking to him. He asked to a man, where are you going? उसने क्या किया? जब उसके पास में जो मैन जा रहा था उससे बात की कि आप कहाँ जा रहे हो? Down to the village to get some bread. Now man replied to her boy. What he replied? That he is going to purchase some bread to the village side. Will you come with me? No, not I. उससे पूछता है, क्या आप मेरे साथ आओगे? No, not I. He replied, no, कि मैं नहीं आऊँगा. I met a horse as I went walking. After the man, he met with a horse. Now again, he met with a horse. We got talking, horse and I. Again, what he started? He started to talk to a horse, talking. Where are you going to? Horse, today. अब वो क्या करता है? Again, he asked a question to a horse. Where are you going today? I said to the horse as he went by. अब वो जब चल रहा था उसके पास में से हॉर्स पास होता जा रहा था, सो ही स्टार्टेड टॉकिंग विथ हॉर्स एंड आस्क्ड अ क्वेश्चन टू हॉर्स, वेयर आर यू गोइंग? डाउन टू द विलेज टू गेट सम हे, विल यू कम विथ मी? नो नॉट आई। अब उसने भी क्या बताया? यस आई एम गोइंग टू द विलेज साइड फॉर परचेजिंग सम हे। नाउ ही आल्सो आस्क्ड हिम, आर यू गोइंग टू कम विथ मी? So he replied, no, not I. It means, no, I am not coming with you. I met a puppy as I went walking. After the horse, he met with whom? A puppy, a dog's baby. Okay, so I met a puppy as I went walking. We got talking, puppy and I. जब उसको उसे पप्पी से मिलता है, उसने उससे भी बात करना स्टार्ट की। Where are you going? The fine day, this fine day. It means वो क्या करता है? पप्पी से भी सेम क्वेश्चन करता है। Where are you going? I said to the puppy as he went by. Up in the hills to roll and play. Now what puppy replied? Puppy replied that he is going to the upside of the hills for playing. अब puppy कहाँ जा रहा था? खेलने के लिए। I will come with you, puppy said I. अब उसने क्या बोला कि अच्छा तुम खेलने जा रहे हो, so I am also coming with you for playing. So what he replied, yes, I am coming with you. Here now I am going to write new words. Okay, here the puppy word is given starting only puppy and I. So here puppy, as I told you, puppy is a baby of dog. It means it is a small baby of dog. Okay, so here is puppy means small dog. Now next is, you can see in your textbook it is given, will you come with me? No, not I. I met a horse. As I told you, he met a horse. Now he asked to a horse that where are you going? What horse replied, I am going to the village side to buy some hay. Here word is H-A-Y, hay. So it means H-A-Y. It means dry grass. This is the food of horse. So he was going to buy some dry grass. He was going village side, right? तो विलेज साइड क्यों जा रहा था? अपना खाना लेने के लिए। सो उसका खाना क्या होता है? दैट इज ड्राई ग्रास। एंड नेक्स्ट थर्ड इज टू रोल। हियर इन third paragraph he asked to a puppy, right? A boy asked to puppy that where are you going? So what he replied, he was going to the upside of the hill for roll and play. Here to roll means to go round and round. Met a man as I went walking. We got talking, man and I. Where are you going to, man? I said. I said to the man as he went by. Down to the village to get some bread. Will you come with me? No, not I. I met a horse as I went walking. We got talking, horse and I. Where are you going to, horse, today? I said to the horse as he went by. Down to the village to get some hay. Will you come with me? No, not I. I met a puppy as I went walking. We got talking, puppy and I. Where are you going this fine day? I said to the puppy as he went by. Up in the hills to roll and play. I will come with you, puppy said I. Reading of this poem at your home. Just go through once with this video. If you are having any query or doubt regarding this, I will solve in your live sessions. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay happy, stay healthy at your home.